Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, Miss Sahrish Amin. This is your third lecture of English literature. So, students, today we will do a poem, Nurse's Song, from your ORC book. As you can see in this picture, the topic name is Nurse's Song. Students, first of all, I would like to tell you how to maintain your copy of English literature. For your ORC, students, in your English literature copy, you will divide your copy into two portions. First portion will be for your English literature work and second portion will be for your ORC work. So students, this is your ORC book. This is the title page of your ORC book. So, let's start the poem Nurse's Song for your ORC. Students, this poem was written by William Blake. The name of writer is William Blake. So students, William Blake was an English poet. He was born in November 1757 and died 1827. William Blake wrote many poems for children and adults. Okay students, this poem Nurse's Song is the name of two related poems by William Blake, published in Songs of Innocence in 1789 and in Songs of Experience in 1794. Okay students, the poem in Songs of Innocence tells us the story of a nurse who is looking over the children playing in a field. When she tries to call them, they protest that there is still time to play and it is still light. As you can see in this picture, children play and a nurse says something to the children. But children want to play more and more time. They don't want to come home. And the poem fits in with the theme of innocence because there is no negative aspects of playing outside. As the nurse is warm-hearted nature and she allows the children to continue their game. The sheep and birds on the sky. Sheep and birds on the sky are the participants of the game. The children did not want to come home. They argued that the sun does not return. So the nurse feels that she has lost her childhood. They argue that the little birds fly and the hills are all covered with the sheep. Students, this was all about the poem which I was explained with you. I will be sharing with you some notes of RTC. Kindly copy them in your notebook and don't forget to maintain your copy for ORC and English literature work. Students, so take care and goodbye.